Need to update your Simple Mobile email address? It's easy and important for security and staying informed. First, log into your account through the Simple Mobile app, version 4.2.1 or later, or through the website at simplemobile.com. Navigate to the Account or Profile section, then select Edit Profile. You'll find the email field there. Enter your new email address. Simple Mobile now requires two-factor authentication. After entering your new email, a verification code will be sent to it. Enter this code to confirm the change. Remember, you typically have 24 hours to complete this verification. Successfully changing your email also means you'll automatically be opted into important notifications about billing, data usage, and plan renewals. You can customize these preferences later. Doing this ensures you receive important billing alerts, service updates, and can easily recover your account if needed. Keep in mind a few key points when changing your Simple Mobile email. Always use a strong, unique password for your Simple Mobile account to protect against unauthorized access. Enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. The email change process is not instant. There's usually a 24-hour pending period to prevent fraud. If you forget your login credentials, the recovery process starts with an email link, so make sure your email is always active. If you encounter issues changing your email, Simple Mobile offers customer support, primarily through AI chatbots. Make sure to verify your identity when prompted. If you're still having trouble, check the Simple Mobile website or app for the latest FAQs and support documentation. Be aware that emails are also used for promotional communications, and you can opt out during the change process to manage your data privacy.